Do you have any idea how much waste there is in your average dental practice? Impression materials, impression trays, plastic, suction tips, the list goes on and on and on, and it doesn't need to be that way in a conscious eco-dentistry practice. Why does eco-dentistry matter? It's called being responsible, cleaning up after yourself and respecting the environment. And guess what else? It costs less. If you use less stuff, it costs less to run a dental practice, and that flows through to cheaper fees for patients. Who can argue with that? And you know what else it's good for? The environment. We all care about this world that we love, so why would we use more stuff, pollute the oceans more, and use more plastic in our practices if we could get away without doing it? We save on waste significantly by reusing as many of the things that would normally be thrown away as possible. For example, and just one example, is a suction tip that a standard dentist would use and throw away for every procedure can be reused literally hundreds of times. Another great way to save heaps of waste in a conscious practice is to make sure that we get rid of the analog way of taking records. And this isn't just about saving paper for writing down medical histories. We used to take tons of physical impressions with silicone in people's mouths. The tray needed to get thrown away, and so did the silicone, and then we used to pour it up in stone. But now, in the world of digital technology, we scan your mouth, so it's a 3D scan of your mouth, and the dentist can then manipulate that data on the spot. No more need to send it away for weeks and weeks and weeks. They have that data in their computer immediately after the scan. And not only is it less wasteful, it's faster, saving the dentist and the patient more time, and it's extremely accurate. So you get a better quality result without the use of all of those wasteful silicones and impressions that we used to use before in dentistry. Another thing that really matters is removal and capture of mercury from the old silver mercury amalgam fillings that are taken out of people's mouths that otherwise would be lost into the waterways. That is terrible for the environment. For me, it's a no-brainer, and I would encourage any dentist out there watching this video, adopt these things into your practice. It's the small things you do on a daily basis that build up to a huge change that can affect the environment in a positive way, and that's great for everyone on this planet. So this has been eco-dentistry and why I think it's important. I hope it's helped you, and if you have any questions or comments, make sure you get in touch. I'll see you in the next video.